Inside this video, what I want to do is share with you how you can realistically start making up to $1,000 a day just leveraging the affiliate marketing model. Now, if you're watching this, my friend, maybe you've tried to do affiliate marketing before. Maybe you've talked to a friend and family about a product you found online. Maybe you've passed out flyers just to do whatever you can to try to start making sales. And maybe you've gone to sites like ClickBank, which I'm on right now, right? ClickBank is a very decent place to find products when you're just starting. But the issue is with ClickBank and Amazon and a lot of other these affiliate marketing places is oftentimes the commission, the amount of money you're going to be making when you do that work is very tiny, okay? You're not going to be able to make $1,000 in a single sale. And if you want to make up to $1,000 a day, it's a lot easier to make that in one sale and one commission than trying to get 100 sales at a very small payout, okay? So what I'm gonna do inside this video, my friend, is walk through my journey as well as sharing tons of information on how you can go from maybe, just making a few dollars here and there per sale to realistically starting to make up to $1,000 without walking around passing out flyers, without bothering friends and family. I'm gonna share with you how you can do this in about an hour a day just from a laptop or a smartphone. So if you're excited to learn that, my friend, be sure to hit the like button below. Also be sure to hit the subscribe button, the bell icon, so you never miss out on my latest training. But without further ado, let me dive right in. Again, maybe you were going to sites like ClickBank, you were going here, you're looking at the categories, you were choosing one, and then maybe you got a sale, right? Maybe you actually went out there and you got a sale and you saw how much money you were making and you got frustrated. If you're like me, about 5 years ago when I hopped online, I was doing a lot of different work. I was trying a lot of different methods. No one actually created a video walking through exactly how to start creating results. And, I thought I needed this big following. I thought other people were special. I thought, it takes a lot of time in the day. Well, I didn't have a lot of time. I was struggling as a broke waiter, and I barely had, a few extra hours in the day. So if you can relate to that, my friend, this video is for you. Now, the first thing you want to realize is this method is going to work whether you're in the health and fitness niche, whether you're in golf, whether you're in make money online, whatever the case may be, this is going to work for you. The first step is to find a higher payout product. Now, they have some on ClickBank, okay? Like one of them pays out like $495, right? But it's very rare. What I recommend you do is one of two things, okay? This is the first step, is to find a higher paying product or system that you can start to promote, okay? Now, for example, let's say you are wanting to teach people how to make money online. Maybe you've struggled to make money online, you're studying how to do it, you're watching YouTube videos, and you wanna start doing that. Well, what I would do is one of two things, either search in Google, okay, for make money online high ticket programs, okay, because high ticket means it's gonna pay you out $500 or more per sale, which is gonna help you hit $1,000 a day a lot faster with one sale rather than hundreds. Or you just choose one that is an independent affiliate marketing system. Maybe you come across a video, you like that person, you trust that person, and they already are with a system. You can just join them, get all the bonuses, and start to create results even faster. So real quick, I'll share with you the personal system that I've been using. Okay, it's the Funnel X ROI system. A lot of people were asking me, Garrett, what do you actually use? You can see to date, I've already been able to make $21,000. And it's absolutely incredible. Okay, so this system does all the back end stuff. It follows up for you. It creates all the capture pages. It's a funnel that's done for you. And if you are interested, I'll leave a link in the description. Like I said, I had a lot of people asking me. And feel free, you can find other ones out there, but this is the #1 recommended for me. It's been working absolutely incredibly well. And you can check that out at the link below. Now, what is the next step? Because again, I'm not gonna teach you to go out there, hit the pavement, pass out flyers, get on the phone. I want to teach you how to do this in an automated, passive, about an hour or so a day method. And that's what I'm all about on this channel. Basically, what we want to do is use social media, okay? Sites like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter. The reason we want to do this is because, first off, it's one of the easiest and fastest ways to reach people. And second off, maybe you don't want to spend money on paid advertising. Maybe you want to start using free methods to get traffic, to get eyeballs to your affiliate marketing products. Well, using social media is going to be the best bet for you. As an example, I'm on my YouTube channel right here, and what I personally did was I started to create a YouTube channel where I would teach people valuable information on the topic of what my product solves, okay? So every product online is gonna solve a problem. And what you wanna ask yourself is, what problem is my product actually solving? And when you find that out, if you go to, let's say, YouTube, you can start to create videos around problems that your product solves. So as you start to create these videos, you're gonna start to attract people to you that are interested in the solution. And then what you can do is recommend people in the description to different offers. And that's what I've been doing. Now, I created this channel not too long ago, but I have other channels, and I've been doing this the last 5 years. It works absolutely incredibly well. Now, maybe you're watching this though, and you're like, Garrett, I don't really like putting my face out there. I don't really wanna, show myself. Maybe you have a job right now, and maybe you just don't wanna be on, camera. Maybe you have like one tooth that juts out. And you're like, oh, I don't think I look good on camera. Whatever the case may be, you don't have to do YouTube. I want to share with you that you can also use Facebook. Okay, now I personally started using just my Facebook profile. I didn't create a Facebook fan page at first. I didn't run paid ads. I just started posting valuable information on my Facebook profile. And what I started to do was I started to build friends that are interested in the topic that my product is about. And as I started posting value, people came to know, like, and trust me. And as they became to know, like, and trust me, I would also recommend products, or I would say, hey, if you're interested, reach out for more information. And as you can see, I've done that down my wall, and I have all these people saying, information please, great work. Okay, I'll share, this right here. Okay, got over 100 likes. I've gotten over 400 likes on my post, and you can really build this up. And what I did was I posted, okay, why grinding is dumb. Okay, so a lot of people online, they want to try to tell you that, oh, you got to work hard and you got to grind, and, oh, keep working and keep going out there. And for me, personally, I'm against those people. I'm against people that preach you have to keep slaving, you have to keep working. I don't know about you, but I got into this for freedom. Okay, I got into this to just be able to travel when I wanted, to be able to spend time with my friends and family, to be able to go on trips, to be able to eat out at nice restaurants and not have to finally look at the menu and the price, right? I wanted to be able to do the things I love to do with the people I love doing it with. And people that are telling you out there that you need a lot of experience, or that it's your fault that you've been struggling. Well, I'm against those type of people, because it's not your fault. If you're watching this and you've been struggling, it's simply because you haven't had someone share with you exactly what actually works. So that's why on this post I said, why grinding is dumb. And I talked about how you don't need to grind all day. If you have a system in place, that does the grinding for you. You don't have to do the work if you have something in place. And again, I'll include a link below if you just want to find out the system I'm using that does all the work for me. So I was in San Diego right here, and I basically was still making money. And I shared that, and all these people, excellent picture, info. Okay, and I just sent this person information on the exact way that I did that. So you can use Facebook. You can also use Instagram, okay? Maybe you have an Instagram profile. Maybe you like taking pictures. Well, you could use Instagram to start to make money, all right? As you can see right here, I have my link right here in the bio. And what I do is, okay, I've built up over 25,000 followers. What I do is I post pictures, okay, about my lifestyle, about results, about motivation, teaching. Okay, very similar to Facebook, very similar to YouTube, except it's in pictures. And then what I'll do every once in a while in my description or caption of my pictures, I'll say, hey, if you want to learn how you can also travel, if you want to learn how you can also spend more time with your friends and family, maybe I take a picture with my mom and I say, I'm so blessed to be able to spend time with my mom whenever I choose. If you want to learn how to do the same thing, check out the link in my bio, and then I'll link them to this link. And when they go there, that's going to link to my system that I'm promoting, which is the Funnel X ROI. And then when they decide to buy, when they decide to get started, I'm going to be able to make up to $1,000 or more in that one sale. And all I need is one person a day. All you need is one person a day. And it's very easy when you start to leverage social media, okay? Because again, you could get 100 people to see your link in a matter of minutes, rather than going out there manually, which is what I used to do, passing out business cards, hitting the pavement, going to networking events, all that work. You don't have to do that. And the last thing, you can even use Twitter. And I want to share with you, I've even used Twitter to make sales, okay? So, I put a cover picture, I put my profile picture here, and again, I have a link in my description, and I'll post value, okay? I'll share my YouTube video, okay? I will share content and value with people, and they will either check out my videos, or I'll sometimes say, hey, check out this website, and people will go there. So I hope this makes sense with you, my friend. In summary, there's a few things you want to take away from this video. Number one is if you really want to make $1,000 or more per day, the easiest and fastest way, again, after trying dozens of different methods the last 5 years, investing thousands of my hard-earned money into different things that promise the world and never actually deliver, you want to promote something that pays you out up to $1,000. Obviously, getting one person to invest $1,000 is a lot easier, okay? Secondly, you want to choose to do social media, and you want to start posting valuable information on things that help people in your target market, things that help people around the topic of your product that you're promoting. And what I recommend you do, my friend, because you may be wondering, well, what's better? YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter? Which one should you start with? My recommendation to all my students and my clients is start with the one that you naturally are on the most, okay? If you're on Facebook all day, don't try to do Instagram. You're already on Facebook. It's the path of least resistance. I loved YouTube. I used to always watch podcasts, the Joe Rogan podcast, funny videos, okay, Vine compilations, right? All these funny videos, stuff like that. And I'm like, well, I'm already on YouTube. Why am I not just creating my own videos? And that was the moment that my life completely changed. So again, if you're watching this, my friend, if you liked it, if you got value, if you want me to make more, be sure to hit the like button below. Also, be sure to subscribe so you never miss out on my latest videos. And last but not least, if you're watching this and you want to find out my #1 recommended affiliate marketing system that does all the grinding, all the work for you, once you just send people to it, it follows up all that, and you can make up to $1,000 per commission. Click that first link in the description and check that out. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.